Hello, my name is Eduardo and my last name is Solan. I am from Sagún, Córdoba, and I work in Pueblo Nuevo as a teacher at El Rosario High School. I teach Castellano language. In my free time, I like to read, to travel, and to jog. I love the Cuban salsa. And my favorite writers are Laura Restrepo, Jorge Franco, and Gabriel Garcia Marquez. I like to dress very good and smell good. I love so much to cut. My wife and my daughters too. I am very frank and I don't like the hypocrisy. My favorites movies, El Profe and like El Arroz con Coco and The Fish. In addition, I like to ride horses. My dreams are to do a doctorate, to writer, and to go to live near my daughters in Medellin. My routine begins at 4 o'clock in the morning. I wake up and go to the bathroom. They shower, brush my teeth and shave. After that, I dress and have breakfast and brush when I leave to school. I start classes at 7 and finish my schedule at 1. After that, I take the bus to come back home. When I arrive to my house, I take a rest about 30 minutes and then prepare the class for the next days. Thank you, teacher.